Okay, so the first thing we want to do, and it's really crucial, basically it's something I know I want in my mind, but I'm not even sure if it's possible in the technical way. So the first thing we want to make sure that it's possible to upload a video, convert it to audio, and then send it to our API, and make all of that without storing anything in our backend. So to make sure it's even possible, I'm going to go here to chat mode and tell him, I want to be able to upload any video with any size. The video should be converted to audio file, and then this audio file should be sent later on to our backend API whisper model for speech to text analyze. First, tell me if it's even possible doing it without storing any of the videos or audio files in Supabase. Meaning, doing it all in the front end or as temp files and storing only the API responses. Okay, so basically now I want to hear from him if it's possible to hear his advice and then maybe make a plan based on that. Okay, let's read and analyze what he's saying here, okay? So video upload size. Yeah, so very large video files entirely in the browser can be problematic. Browsers have memory limitation. Okay, so I'm learning while doing it, okay? Got it, no problem. Video to audio conversation in the browser, yes, it's possible. However, there are some consideration. Large files in memory could be slow, some formats might not be supported, and so on. Direct audio processing without storage, technically possible but risky because if the browser crashes or user closes the tab, all progress is lost. Large file processing in the memory, okay. Whisper API has file size limit of 25 megabytes, so audio files need to be in specific format. Based on data analysis, while it's technically possible, he would not recommend it. Okay, so let's make a different plan. I would want to limit the users to some kind of upload limit, maybe forcing them to upload plan. I want to avoid users have heavy file sizes in their storage. Okay, I'm just advising the AI because honestly it's smarter than me. I just know what is the expected outcome, and what's different than me than the AI is that I know how users think, okay? I know what they would want and what they wouldn't want. They wouldn't want me to force them converting to audio file and then uploading. They just want to throw their video and make it work. Okay, and now let's go through it together and see. Current site video comparison. Before upload, compress the video in browser. Okay, I like that. That makes sense. Reduce sizes. Great. Audio extraction. Instead of loading the entire video, extract just the audio track. That makes sense. Perfect. Clean up process. Once audio is extracted, delete the audio file, store only the transcriptions. Perfect. You understand everything I want. Okay. Let's implement the solution. Perfect. And now we want me to apply changes. He basically making new buckets for temporary files. Buckets are like kind of like Google Drive folders. Okay, you can find it here in storage, and each one of these are a bucket. It's kind of like a folder that will store your files. The cool thing about it that with temp files, it means he is going to delete them every time they are created. and we are going to store only our transcriptions, which are going to be text-based. So that's really cool. And let him just do his magic. Okay, so right now it's telling me the next steps. Before that, what is this? Let's fix it first before we continue, and then we are going to add this. So what is FFmpeg? It's basically kind of like a package that allow you to edit any kind of media file. So with this package, you can convert videos to audios, you can change frame rate of videos, you can trim video files, you can do so many stuff with this package. It's open source, meaning it's free to use, it's just out there in the public, and Lovable know how to implement that. So that's really cool. And it's relevant only to my case, okay? If your platform doesn't even have video handling or audio handling, it doesn't really relevant. Okay, let's approve it. Okay, look like that the error I tried to fix also do make like some kind of functions that can work with Supabase, like create video records, upload the videos, and so on. I don't really even understand what's going on, and that's the beauty of it. I will just know if it works or not. What I do know is that I approved this plan, and I understood this plan. So that's everything that matters. Okay, let's test it. I will select a video, and I will upload it. So basically, the moment the video will be uploaded, if it will work, we're going to see it in our buckets. Okay, now I see the file. A file actually got uploaded. I see a lot of files uploaded, which is weird. Okay, the video uploaded, and obviously nothing happened now. It's processing, kind of. Okay, a lot of stuff happened here. All good, let's move on. He uploaded the videos to be kept forever, but we just want it as a temporary video file. So let's implement the solution, and then we will move on. Okay, and let's apply changes. Again, what we're doing now is making sure videos we upload actually will send to temp files and not to videos. Okay, we can actually delete the videos we have here. We don't need it. And on top of that, we can even delete the video profiles that created here in the table. So you can see it here in processing. We don't need it. It just will confuse us anyway. Also the uploading ones, we don't need it. Great, let's get back. Go to history. Great, now we see those two videos. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. You see, even though I don't know programming, I still understand what's going on. I understand why I saw here a few more videos, and now what I did, deleted them, and I understand how to talk with him. That's what I want you guys to go out with in this course. Okay, so he's saying that he makes sure everything working, and now he wants me to get him OpenAI API key, okay? So in the next video, we're going to learn how we actually get this OpenAI API key and how we implement that.